In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can deactivate TalkBack on Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. But before I do that, I need to, of course, explain to you how we can navigate on our phone when TalkBack is enabled, because once it is, then the navigation is slightly altered. And we need to learn a couple of things. For example, if you have anything that is selectable, like any option, button, and so on and so forth, then in that case, you need to tap on the option first, so tap once in order to highlight it, and then you need to double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm that you want to use the selected option. This also includes 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen if you use them. As for gestures, in order to use them, then we need to use 2 fingers instead of just one. So with 2 fingers, I can, for example, scroll up and down on this list. With 2 fingers, I should be able to go to the home screen if I use gestures for navigation, and so on and so forth. So that is pretty much all in the case of changes in the navigation. So I'm gonna go to the home screen first in order to make sure that I'm gonna start from the home screen in case you are on the home screen as well. First, we need to open settings. If you have settings in the app drawer, then we can use 2 fingers to swipe up to open the app drawer, and we're gonna scroll down in here with 2 fingers, of course, and then once you find settings, tap on it once and then double tap. Now in here, we're gonna scroll all the way down to find accessibility. You want to tap once and then double tap. And then tap on vision once and then double tap. Tap on the TalkBack once and then double tap. Then you should be able to tap on the use TalkBack button and then double tap. And then confirm by choosing the turn off button once, of course, and then double tap to confirm. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.